కరోనా వైరస్తో కుదేలైన ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థలో ఉత్తేజం నింపేందుకు డిమాండ్ను పెంచేందుకు ఆర్థిక మంత్రి నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ పలు చర్యలు ప్రకటించారు. వినిమయాన్ని పెంచేందుకు ప్రభుత్వ ఉద్యోగులకు ఎల్టీసీ క్యాష్ వోచర్, పండుగ ప్రత్యేక అడ్వాన్స్ పథకాలను ప్రవేశపెడుతున్నామని చెప్పారు. ఎల్టీసీ నగదును 12%, ఆపై జీఎస్టీ విధించే వస్తువులపై ఖర్చు పెట్టాలని, డిజిటల్ మాధ్యమం ద్వారా వీటిని వెచ్చించాలని ఆమె స్పష్టం చేశారు. ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థలో దూకుడు పెంచేందుకు వినియోగదారుల నుండి డిమాండ్, మూలధన వ్యయం పెరగాల్సి ఉందని నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ అన్నారు.
Spending relates to special festival advance scheme. So we will be looking at the consumer spending aspect first, which has two of these components. In the scheme that we are coming up with now, all this remains the same. Where the taxation was levied on 10 days of their leave concession, that will still be levied. But on the airfare travel, it will not be levied. But can they travel now? They can't because of COVID. Many of them don't want to. So instead what we are offering is, they could have that money is given to them, for which we have had about 3 kinds of slabs created, and based on that 3 slabs, which is as per the government rules and procedures, they could spend that money in buying something of their choice. So the amount which is given to them as per their government rules, their rank, their position, their whatever, is now brought to 3 different slabs. And they are flat rate slabs, which is equivalent to the travel ticket, the round ticket that they would get, and that which will continue to be tax-free, will have to be spent on items which have 12% or more GST tax levied on them. So you won't be buying those items of food, essentials like which are in 5% slab, but you will spend them on items which have 12% or more GST. You won't just spend that amount, you will spend 3 times that amount. So this comes as an advance for you, and you spend 3 times more on items which are 12% or more in GST taxation. And even more, you will spend them only in a digital mode, no cash transactions. That